Sorry, the video got cut off again. So here we are again. This is getting tight. Sorry. Okay, that was weird. So here we go with the CD part. Oh my god, Aja. Sorry. That was weird. Oh my goodness. Again, same thing. Lyrics. And a little present for our girls. You see? Cute. And here we go. And that was all for today. In 3 videos, but yeah. 3 videos, but still, it was good.